Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Craft and Hobby Mobiles is probably one of the most captivating and versatile additions to any nursery or child's room, offering a delightful blend of aesthetic appeal and developmental stimulation that can transform a simple space into a whimsical wonderland, sparking imagination and providing a soothing visual experience for little ones as they grow and explore their surroundings. Number 5. FINDMAG 50 PCS Adhesive Round Magnets. Introducing our pack of 50 adhesive magnets, perfect for all your crafting needs. These strong, small, and round magnets are designed for easy application and versatile use. These magnets are incredibly versatile, suitable for your home, office, classroom, or kitchen. Use them to organize your fridge, whiteboard, or display photos and calendars effortlessly. Crafted with high-quality ceramic material, they resist corrosion and offer consistent performance. Featuring beveled edges, they ensure scratch-free application and a strong, removable adhesive backing. Installation is a breeze with our tool-free design. Simply peel and stick them onto any surface, making them ideal for frequently rearranged spaces without causing any damage. Unleash your creativity with these adhesive magnets, perfect for a wide range of DIY crafts. They are ideal for science projects, decorations, photo frames, and so much more. Enjoy a secure hold with our strong adhesive backing. When it's time for a change, they remove cleanly, leaving surfaces undamaged, which is perfect for frequently updated displays. What we like? These small, strong magnets are perfect for all your craft and DIY needs. If you're looking for a reliable way to attach items without damaging surfaces, these are a great choice. Their strong adhesive and durable material make them ideal for frequent use in projects, organization, or even educational activities. What people say. The mobile is made of high-quality, durable materials that are built to last. The intricate details and vibrant colors of the mobile add a beautiful touch to any room. It's easy to assemble and hang, making it a convenient decorative item. Number 4. Best Choice Products Folding Sewing Table. Keep your yarn, pins, scissors, and materials organized with dedicated storage. This table features pegs, trays, an interior shelf, and a spacious tabletop. This versatile station is perfect for tailoring clothes, but it's also ideal for any craft project or even as a convenient work desk. When you're done crafting, easily move it to a convenient spot. Its compact design makes it perfect for use as a side table. Tuck away your supplies and close it up to transform it into a compact side table. It seamlessly blends into any room's decor. Enjoy a wobble-free experience thanks to its sturdy MDF wood build and metal hinges. Lockable wheels and magnetic doors ensure everything stays put. See the full dimensions when it's open and ready for use. Discover its compact size when folded, perfect for saving space. What we like? This craft station offers incredible organization with multiple storage solutions. If you need a dedicated space for your sewing or other crafts that can be easily moved and tucked away, this is the one. Its convertible design makes it perfect for smaller spaces or for those who like to keep their craft area tidy. What people say. The mobile is made of high-quality, durable materials that are safe for children. The mobile features a unique, eye-catching design with vibrant colors that stimulate a baby's visual development. It is easy to assemble and attach to any crib or stroller, making it versatile for on-the-go use. Number 3. US Art Supply 24x36 Self-Healing Cutting Mat. Experience professional quality with this 5-ply self-healing cutting mat, designed for ultimate durability. Its non-slip surface ensures your materials stay securely in place, making it perfect for all your crafting needs. Achieve perfect cuts every time with its detailed grid system, featuring 1 2-inch and 1 8-inch markings. It also includes 45 degrees and 60 degrees angle guides for precise alignment, making it an essential tool for crafting accuracy. This reversible mat offers 2 distinct working surfaces, making it ideal for a wide range of creative projects. It's suitable for working with various materials like paper, fabric, leather, and clay. Benefit from special diagonal cutting lines that open up versatile project options. The grid markings on both sides ensure consistent accuracy, while the self-healing surface maintains a clean cut after repeated use. Safeguard your tables from any blade damage with this durable craft cutting board. It's an essential tool for your scrapbooking, model building, and sewing projects, offering a perfect size for desktop crafting. Its portable design makes it easy to take your crafting on the go. Enjoy the convenience of a reliable cutting surface whether you're at home or out and about. What we like. Protect your workspace and achieve precise cuts with this durable cutting mat. If you're serious about crafting, sewing, or quilting, the self-healing surface and detailed grid system are invaluable. Its double-sided design offers extended usability, making it a long-lasting essential for any creative project. What people say. This mobile is a beautiful addition to my nursery. The colors are vibrant and the little animals are so cute. The mobile spins gently and plays a soft lullaby. My baby loves watching it. It was easy to assemble and attach to the crib. The quality of the materials is excellent. Number 2. Best Choice Products Large Folding Sewing Table. This large folding table offers exceptional storage. It features multiple shelves, trays, and interior space to keep all your crafting essentials organized and within reach. Beyond sewing, this versatile table is perfect for various arts and crafts. You can also transform it into a convenient workstation for your computer and other tasks. Effortlessly move and store this table thanks to its built-in caster wheels. It rolls smoothly to a compact area, making it ideal for saving space when not in use. When your creative projects are finished, simply close it up. It transforms into a stylish side table that blends seamlessly with any room's decor. Crafted from durable MDF wood with reliable metal hinges, this table is built to last. Lockable wheels and magnetic door closures ensure your items stay secure during movement. What we like. This large craft station provides ample space for all your supplies and projects. If you have a lot of materials or a large sewing machine, its generous storage and sturdy build are ideal. It's perfect for those who need a dedicated, well-organized workspace that can handle significant use. What people say. The mobile is very sturdy and well-made, with vibrant colors that are true to the pictures online. It was easy to assemble and hang, and the mobile spins gently with the slightest breeze, creating a lovely visual effect. Number 1. Mobile art, papers, designs, and instructions. Discover the joy of crafting with mobile art. This kit provides everything you need to create beautiful, eye-catching mobiles. Explore 20 unique and stunning mobile designs. Each one is crafted to bring a touch of elegance to any space. Inside, you'll find high-quality papers and detailed instructions. We've made it easy for you to bring these designs to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, these projects are designed for everyone. Enjoy a rewarding creative experience. Make your own unique decoration that will impress. It's a wonderful way to personalize your home or give a handmade gift. Begin your artistic journey with mobile art today. Let your imagination soar as you create something truly special. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to create beautiful mobiles right away. If you're looking for a fun, guided crafting experience with stunning results, this is perfect. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who enjoys making decorative items for their home or as gifts. What people say. The mobile is made of high-quality, durable materials that are built to last. Its intricate design and attention to detail make it a beautiful centerpiece for any room. The mobile features a unique, adjustable hanging mechanism, allowing for easy installation and customization. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.